My dear friends and my dear students, brothers and sisters, today we are discussing the great revolutionary hero Ram Prasad Bismil. This year we are celebrating the centenary year of Kakori action. This year Kakori action was performed by great revolutionaries in the year 1925, 9 August. So we are celebrating the year of Kakori action. So the leader of the Kakori action was Pandit Ram Prasad Bismil. Bismil was one of the great revolutionary of Indian history, great revolutionary of the armed history of the India. And he was sentenced to death by the British Empire. He was sentenced to death. Along with him, 3 other revolutionaries were also sentenced to death. Thakur Roshan Singh, Rajendra Lahiri and Ashfaqullah Khan. There were 3 others who were sentenced to death along with the Ram Prasad Bismil. Kakori action was taking place, I have already told you, on 9 August 1925, in which Chandrasekhar Azad also took part. Manmat Nath Gupta, Ram Krishnan Khatri, there were several names we will mention later on. These names, today we are discussing the great personality of Ram Prasad Bismil. Hindustan Republican Army, the party, revolutionary party, was founded by Sachindranath Sanyal. Sachindranath Sanyal was a great revolutionary of the Ghadar party. He was sentenced for the life in the revolution conducted by Ghadar party. Ghadar party was established in America. It's a long story. We are telling in very short. And ultimately Ghadar party failed to free this country through armed struggle. There was a traitors inside the party. Sachindranath Sanyal was one of the great revolutionary of the Ghadar party. When he was released, he came to Banaras and he established this party, Hindustan Republican Army. So many, along with Ram Prasad Bismil, joined it. Chandrasekhar Azad also joined it in Banaras. Manmat Nath Gupta also joined. Yogesh Chand Chatterjee, great revolutionary. There were so many. So it's a long story of the Hindustan Republican Army, which conducted a great revolutionary action that is named Kakori action. A train of British Treasury, which was carrying a British Treasury, Amritsar, a Saharanpur-Lucknow Express, not Amritsar-Lucknow, Saharanpur Express was taking Treasury. So the plan was made and a revolutionary from Meerut was also sentenced for the life, Vishnu Chand Dublish. The name of Meerut is also associated with the Kakori action. Great name. We have already made a video on the Vishnu Chand Dublish. You can see it on my channel. Word of Prabhat Kumar Roy. So we are just narrating a very, very short story. Life is wonderful. He was born in Uttar Pradesh in the town that is called Morena. That is called Morena. Sometimes people say that he was born in Shahjahanpur. But there is a controversy. Most of the historians consider that he was born in Shahjahanpur. And he came in contact with the Swami Somdev. And he turned into a Asamaji. A great revolutionary Saint Dayanand came into his life and he became disciple of Swami Dayanand. Ultimately, Asamaji inspired him. There was a great leader, Jayendra Dikshit, who came in contact with that Ram Prasad Bismil. He was from Madhya Pradesh. He was from Bhind. He made a society that is called Shivaji Samiti. Shivaji Maharaj, a great freedom fighter. Great freedom fighter. So that Gendalal Dikshit also conducted a revolutionary action in Manpuri. A very successful action in which they all became absconder. After that action, police and the magistrate issued a warrant against Ram Prasad Bismil. Ram Prasad Bismil wandered here and there and written so many books. He was a wonderful writer. Along with the great poet, he was a wonderful writer. The poem which he had just recited in those days, in the revolutionary days, still we remember that poem. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है, वक्त आने पर बता देंगे तुझे वो आसमां, अरे हम अभी से क्या बता दें क्या हमारे दिल में है। ए शहीदों मुल्क व मिल्लत मैं तेरे ऊपर निसार, अब तेरी हिम्मत का चर्चा गैर की महफिल में है। It's a long poem. We are reciting only few stanzas of that poem. ए शहीदों मुल्क व मिल्लत मैं तेरे ऊपर निसार, अब तेरी हिम्मत का चर्चा गैर की महफिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, वक्त आने पर बता देंगे तुझे वो आसमां, हम अभी से क्या बता दें क्या हमारे दिल में है। खींच कर लाई है सबको कत्ल होने की उम्मीद, खींच कर लाई है सबको कत्ल होने की उम्मीद, आशिकों का आज जमघट कूचे कातिल में है। That became a revolutionary song of the freedom struggle, armed freedom struggle launched by Hindustan Republican Army. Ultimately, there was successful train dacoity, looted British treasury from Saharanpur, Lucknow Express near Kakori, a station near Lucknow. That is why it is called Kakori action. Ultimately, in Lucknow Session Court, a case was registered. Most of the revolutionaries were arrested, except Chandrasekhar Azad and Kundan Lal Gupta. There were two revolutionaries. Those were not been captured by the police. 40 revolutionaries, around about 39 or 40 revolutionaries were arrested because of there was a shawl which had the name of a dry cleaner. So through that point, most of them were arrested. So case was pleaded by British prosecutor and defended by Indian advocates under the leadership of Govind Ballabh Chandman Gupta, K.P. Saxena and other senior Congress leaders were also a defense counsels. But ultimately, British judge sentenced Ram Prasad Bismil, Thakur Roshan Singh, Ashfaqullah Khan and Rajendra Lahiri sentenced to death, and other revolutionaries were having different sentences. Vishnu Sen Dublish was sentenced for the life. Manman Nath Gupta also sentenced for the life, though he was not an adult. So British court waited for it to sentence him because there was a person killed by a gun which was carried by Ashfaqullah Khan when they were breaking those treasures, so that a fire took place and a person was killed. So that became a very serious case, and the charge was on Manman Nath Gupta, who was not an adult in those times. Chandrasekhar was also not adult, they were just having 17 years old, 16 years old. So it's a wonderful story of bravery, courage and the patriotism. Wonderful story. This way the case proceeded and they were sentenced in different jails. Gonda jail, Gorakhpur jail, Faizabad jail, respectively. All four were sentenced. Those were sentenced to death, they were hanged. And they became the great martyrs, great heroes in those days. The popularity of Bhagat Singh and Azad ultimately superseded their fame, but for the many years till 1931, they were the greatest heroes of the revolutionary movement. Ramkrishnan Khatri was also sentenced. So it's a long story. In very short, we are telling to our young students, particularly the young generation, those are deviating from the real path of the patriotism, the socialism, path of the socialism which was paved by the party. The last will or the last message of Ram Prasad Bismil was written by Bhagat Singh in a paper that is called Kirti, which is published in three languages, Urdu, English and Hindi languages. Bhagat Singh wrote an article. He was a wonderful writer. As Ram Prasad Bismil was a wonderful writer, Bhagat Singh was also a very wonderful writer. A very mature writer. So he said, ultimate goal of the Ram Prasad Bismil has already told us, that is equality, social equality, economic equality, along with the freedom. Ultimately, that party turned into a Hindustan Socialist Republican Army in 1928 in Firozshah Kotla ground on the resolution of Shaheed-e-Azam Bhagat Singh. So that is a turning point, great turning point in Indian history. Kakori action, Pandit Ram Prasad Bismil, Satyendra Sanyal was also sentenced for the life. The highest leader, the top leader of the Hindustan Republican Army who established this party, Yogesh Chand Chatterjee also sentenced for the life. There was a few names we are mentioning. There were so many names. So many. That is why, because the video is being made by us, it's a very short video for you. Very short video. Not a long video. We have already made a full video in Hindi. You can see also it on Pandit Ram Prasad Bismil, great revolutionary, who has written so many books on revolutionary history. A book on Bolsheviks, the Russian Revolution, is those that captured power in 1917 and successfully made a socialist revolution in Soviet Union. Ram Prasad Bismil was very much highly impressed by that revolution. Though he was a Asamaji, he was not a atheist like Bhagat Singh, but he was a great revolutionary. Ashfaq-Ullah Khan also, we have also made a video on Ashfaq-Ullah Khan. He was a great associate of Ram Prasad Bismil, great associate. One of the great revolutionary of Indian revolutionary history, Ashfaq-Ullah Khan. So these were the great heroes, and this year we are particularly remembering those heroes in the Kakori action year, and particularly our young generation know the sacrifices, great sacrifices made by revolutionaries. This freedom has not achieved only by non-violence, as it has been depicted that under leadership of Gandhi. Only Gandhi, we got the freedom. There were so many great actions, revolutionary actions were done right from 1857. The revolution started from Meerut. It was crushed. After it, Sannyasi rebel in Bengal. Later on, Gadar party made by Lala Hardyal and the Kartar Singh Saraba, who was considered a leader by Bhagat Singh, his own ideal. Bhagat Singh having a photo always in his pocket of Kartar Singh Saraba, who was also sentenced to death, along with Vishnu Pingle. So many were. 400 revolutionaries were sentenced for different lifetime in Gadar party. Few were sentenced to death. Then Hindustan Republican Army, those also made so many sacrifices. Revolutionaries gave their life for the revolution, for the Indian freedom. Then Hindustan Socialist Republican Army, later on Indian National Army, who launched a great international struggle with the help of Japan, Subhash Chandra Bose. So there is a long history of the revolutionary. And the Hindustan Republican army is a part of that great revolutionary armed struggle. So armed struggle was launched, and so many thousands, so many lakhs has given their life for the nation. Mahatma Gandhi has a great contribution. We are not denying the role of Mahatma Gandhi to awakening this country. But if someone say that it is being achieved only by non-violence, that is a wrong interpretation of the history, wrong depiction of the history as well. Thank you very much. Zindabad rahiye. I am welcoming all my listeners of this video, and I hope that they will subscribe it and they will also propagate it and send to the so many. So the revolutionary spirit should be maintained, should be remained alive in this country, and ultimate goal of the socialism had to be achieved. Still we are groaning under capitalism, we are groaning under imperialism. 90% people are being exploited. Still they are not free. The real freedom is yet to be achieved. We just got the political freedom. Economic freedom yet to be achieved by us in near future. The young generation is still fighting for the real goal that was established or inspired by our revolutionaries, the goal of socialism, goal of equality, goal of the economic equality and the social equality as well. We have yet to achieve it. Thank you very much. Zindabad rahiye, Zindabad rahiye.